Hi, my name is Megan Lenskold, and this project is an automated fraud scoring system. Every time a transaction comes through, it runs through a set of rules and gets labeled as low, medium, or high risk. The goal of this review was to make sure that those rules were actually working. Before fixing, every single confirmed fraudulent transaction in the dataset, all 8 of them, were labeled low risk. The system would have waved them straight through. That happened because 4 of the scoring rules were completely backwards. And then with this fix, we were able to catch 7 out of 8 fraud cases. So here's what backwards actually looks like in practice. When a device looked suspicious, the system gave the transaction a lower risk score. When someone made 6 transactions in 24 hours, which is a classic sign of a stolen card being tested, the score went down again. International transactions were treated as safer than domestic ones. And the most dangerous one, customers with a confirmed history of fraud chargebacks were being scored as less risky than first-time buyers. The right column shows the corrected behavior after the fix. Every single signal now moves the score in the direction it should. This slide gives 3 real transaction examples pulled from the confirmed fraud dataset. Before the fix, all 3 were cleared as low risk and would not have triggered any review. After the fix, all 3 correctly scored as high risk. The pattern holds across all 8 confirmed fraud cases in the dataset. Once the rules were corrected, the next priority was making sure that they stay corrected. The original test suite had a gap. It checked whether riskier transactions scored relatively higher, but never locked down the actual numbers. A bug cut every fraud score in half, and nothing would catch it. The new suite grew from 7 checks to 40, covering every signal at every threshold. Think of it as a quality control checkpoint built into the system. Any future change that accidentally rebreaks a rule gets flagged before it reaches production. Now, the system correctly flags 7 out of 8 confirmed fraud cases as high risk. With a 100% chargeback rate, the system now catches fraud and nothing else. A fraud model with inverted logic doesn't just miss fraud. It creates a false sense of security while confirmed bad actors get the green light. This review closed that gap.